The Seagull and the Shell. Once upon a time, there was a young seagull named Lino who lived along a beautiful coast. Every day, Lino flew high in the sky, admiring the sea and the beach, but he felt that something was missing. He was never satisfied with what he found. He always wanted something more special and rare. One day, while walking on the beach, he found a beautiful pink shell, shining under the sun. It was perfect, so delicate and unique that Lino thought he had finally found what he was looking for. He decided to take it and keep it close to his nest. But every time he went hunting or exploring, Lino did not want to leave the shell behind. He was afraid that someone would steal it, so he carried it everywhere with him. Over time, however, the shell began to become a burden. He could no longer fly freely as before, and his life became limited by his treasure. One day, a wise old seagull approached Lino and said, "What's the point of having something so beautiful if it doesn't allow you to live free and happy?" Lino reflected on those words and understood that even though he loved the shell, it was holding him back. He then decided to leave it on the beach where it belonged and flew free and light in the sky again. Sometimes holding on too much to what we love can prevent us from living life fully. True freedom lies in knowing how to let go.